This is a brand new SW350 biological microscope, which is divided into two types, binocular biological microscope and trinocular biological microscope. The external fuse of this model is easy to install and replace. The eyepiece is equipped with 10x and 25x specifications, which is convenient for different users to choose and use. The color filter will make the light source closer to natural light, and the image under the mirror will be more realistic. Turn on the power switch and adjust the brightness of the light source properly to avoid hurting human eyes. Put it into the slice preparation and observe the sample target under the microscope. Make corresponding preparations and place the diopter circle at the 0 position, or the starting position, so that there is space for adjustment up and down when diopter adjustment is required. Pupillary distance adjustment. We need to find the most comfortable interpupillary distance for us due to the difference in interpupillary distance. Move the target slice to be observed to the center of the view. First use the scanning objective lens to find the target, and use the coarse and fine focusing mechanism to adjust the image under the microscope to be clear. Convert the magnification of the objective lens to observe with a low-power objective lens. After adjusting the image under the mirror with the fine-tuning hand wheel, adjust the condenser lens and aperture diaphragm to improve the contrast and sharpness of the image. Use the high-power objective lens to observe the details. The process and method are exactly the same as the low-power objective lens operation process. For the use of oil immersion objective lens, lower the platform. Drop cedar oil into the observation area, raise the platform and lightly top it a few times to remove possible air bubbles at the front of the objective lens. Air bubbles will seriously affect the image quality under the microscope. Other operation methods are the same as high-power objective. The objective lenses are the same, and the objective lenses used should correspond to the same numerical aperture as the magnification during observation. In addition, our product can be installed with digital cameras and connected to the computer. It must be carried out according to the instruction manual or video operation tutorial. We now connect the camera to the computer through the data cable on the third observation head of the product, so that the image under the mirror can be presented in our computer software. Oil immersion objective lens should be cleaned up in time after use, including the observed slices, so as to avoid dirt affecting the future observation effect.